Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to improve your health, boost your mood, and transform your life, then running might just be the answer. In today's video, we'll explore 6 convincing reasons why you should lace up your running shoes and start running today. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking for extra motivation to keep going, these benefits will inspire you to hit the pavement. Let's dive in. First and foremost, running is an excellent way to boost your cardiovascular health. Regular running strengthens your heart, improves blood circulation, and lowers your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. When you run, your heart works harder to pump blood throughout your body, which strengthens your heart muscles over time. Studies show that even just 30 minutes of running a few times a week can make a significant difference in your heart health. One of the most compelling reasons to start running is its effectiveness in burning calories and aiding in weight loss. Running is one of the most efficient ways to shed extra pounds. Depending on your pace and intensity, you can burn between 300 to 600 calories per half-hour session. Plus, running helps increase your metabolism, meaning you'll continue burning calories even after you've finished your workout. If weight loss is your goal, incorporating running into your routine is a great way to achieve it. Running isn't just good for your body, it's also great for your mind. Engaging in regular aerobic exercise like running has been shown to reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. It stimulates the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which can elevate your mood and provide a sense of well-being. Many runners describe experiencing a runner's high, a euphoric feeling that makes them feel happier and more energized. If you're feeling down, a run might be just what you need to clear your mind and lift your spirits. Running is a weight-bearing exercise, meaning it not only strengthens your muscles, but also helps build and maintain strong bones. This is particularly important as we age, as it can help prevent osteoporosis and improve overall bone density. Additionally, running engages multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and even your arms, leading to a more toned and strong physique. By adding running to your fitness routine, you're working towards a stronger and more resilient body. Running is a fantastic way to build your endurance and stamina over time. As you consistently challenge your body through running, you'll notice that you can run longer distances and at a faster pace without getting tired as quickly. This increase in endurance doesn't just apply to running. It can improve your overall energy levels, making daily tasks feel easier and less tiring. Whether you want to improve your athletic performance or simply have more energy throughout the day, running can help you achieve that. One of the greatest things about running is that it's accessible to almost everyone. You don't need a gym membership, expensive equipment, or even much experience to get started. All you need is a good pair of running shoes and the willingness to take that first step. Whether you prefer running outdoors in nature or on a treadmill indoors, running is a versatile activity that can be done almost anywhere and anytime. This makes it a convenient and cost-effective way to stay fit and healthy. So there you have it, 6 compelling reasons to start running today. From improving your heart health and losing weight to boosting your mood and building endurance, running offers countless benefits that can transform your life. If you're ready to start your running journey, don't hesitate. Get out there and take that first step. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy and active lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and happy running!